So you've started the business. Logo, done. Instagram page? Of course. Even convinced your cousin to like every post. But now, crickets. Because guess what? Just being online doesn't mean people will find you. You need digital marketing, also known as using the internet to actually grow your business. Let's break it down clearly. Step 1. Know where your people are. Are they scrolling TikTok at midnight, reading emails at 9 a.m., or stuck in traffic binging Instagram stories? Don't waste your energy posting everywhere. Pick 1 or 2 platforms where your audience already hangs out and show up there. Step 2. Don't just post, actually strategize. Digital marketing is not vibes and aesthetics. It's, what do I want them to do? Why should they care? What's in it for them? Your content should either educate, entertain, or make them tap that link in bio like their life depends on it. Step 3. Run ads, but run them smart. You don't need $50,000 to get started. You just need a clear offer, a targeted audience, and a budget that doesn't make you cry. Use Meta Ads Manager, learn the basics, or pay someone who knows what they're doing. The internet rewards clarity, not confusion. Step 4. Build community, not just followers. Reply to comments, answer DMs. Create content that makes people feel seen, because a loyal community will sell your product better than any fancy ad campaign. Step 5. Use your data. If 100 people viewed your story, but only 2 clicked your link, don't try just adjust. Maybe your caption was confusing. Maybe your offer wasn't clear. Digital marketing is testing, learning, tweaking, testing again. Your business page isn't just a gallery, it's your best salesperson. So stop hiding your prices. Stop posting only Happy New Month graphics and start showing people how you solve their problem. Digital marketing isn't magic. It's strategy, consistency, and knowing your people. So the next time someone says, just post more, smile politely. Then go build a system that actually brings money in. Don't just be online, be unforgettable.